In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow'S editor for content editing. If you've ever felt that updating your website's content is daunting, worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of navigating through Webflow'S editor, making the process much simpler and more intuitive. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Webflow homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser, type in webflow.com, and hit enter. This will bring you to their main page where you can create a custom website using their visual website builder. Once there, you'll see a blue button labeled Login at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Login, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just fill in your email and password, then press Enter. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. At the dashboard, take a moment to notice how organized and intuitive everything is. To access the specific site you want to edit, look for the Select Workspace section, and click to enter the site dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things related to your site. Here, various options are displayed, but for content editing, we need to head over to Site Settings. Once you make your way to the Site Settings, look for the Site Access tab. Clicking this will open up options regarding who can access and edit the site, which can be crucial if you have a team working on the same project. This is also where you manage who can make changes and what level of permission they have. The next area to focus on is the editor access. Clicking on Editor Access will take you to a screen that allows you to adjust which team members have editing privileges. It's important to manage your team members here to ensure that only those who need to make changes have the ability to do so. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Now, click on Webflow Editor. Once the editor opens, you'll see your actual website layout with options for editing text and images right there on the page. It's like looking at your actual website, but instead of just viewing, you can click to change texts, upload images, and more, all in real time. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate and start working with the Webflow editor. With these steps, updating your site's content will be more straightforward and efficient. Thank you for joining me. And until next time, happy editing.